Well, guys, I finally got the Cruze on the road. I didn't film any of the rebuilding. I rebuilt the whole motor, everything. I ended up honestly putting the, I bought a new OEM intercooler because I was getting erratic map sensor and mass airflow, and my fuel trims were all over the place. I don't know if I had a boost leak. I don't think I did, but it was just a cheap one. And I'll be honest with you, I didn't notice any difference except maybe a little bit of lag because it was getting more air. But runs great. Tuned to 91 octane right now. I just put 93 in it. Don't know how accurate this torque is, but or not, but getting about 26 pounds boost. I think I got it dialed in with the correct sea level and all that nonsense, but it's running killer. I'm actually gonna probably sell this car. It would make a hell of a first car without the tune, but it would make also a hell of a little fun car for somebody because everything's done. I mean, you could do what you wanted with it. The valve train is all upgraded. Everything. I mean, it's got new, you name it, it's new and it's upgraded. Everything got from CZP, and finally got it done. I've just been waiting on freaking parts, but it's been fun. I'm gonna get I don't know, my next video car might have a Mustang GT in it. I don't know. I'm looking at an 89 Cavalier Z24. I used to have probably the nicest Indy Beretta on the planet, and I sold it like a fucking moron because I made 10 grand on it, but I wish I had it back. I had another one that I just recently sold. It was a nice car, but it wasn't as nice as my first one. But I don't know. This is a good little car if you're in Southeast Ohio, PA area. Send me a message. I'll make you a hell of a deal on it. Because I've got over 4 grand right now in the engine. It's the first 5200 takes it. And it runs awesome. Can't really get on it right here because this car is just... But anyway, Cruze is on the road. The only thing that sucks about these tunes is goddamn $4.50 a gallon for fucking gas. But anyway, guys, Cruze is running, kicking ass. Peace out. Leave in the comments what kind of car you guys want me to get to show a complete recondition. I'm not going to get anything that needs paint. I don't feel like doing any painting right now, but paint correcting, I'm going to get something I can, as long as there's no rust, preferably a SN95 GT is what I'm looking for, with no rust. Don't care about the paint as long as I can fix it, but leave some comments. What kind of cars you guys want me to get? Peace out, man.